Hi all, just doing a real quick video on the Choice 10" by 14" plastic food bag on a roll. It comes in a pack of 1,000 and I wanted to be able to do just a quick video and let you see that it doesn't have to just be used for just for food. There's so many uses for these 10 by 14 bags. I have some jumbo straws, black, 7.75 unwrapped straws. It does come in a pack of 500, these straws, but I want to be able to show you how these 10 by 14 work really great. Because what I like to do is I like to take the straws outside of the box, put them inside the bag, and then put them back in the box. Because sometimes as we keep going and filling up the straws, refilling the straws, the box ends up breaking, or the box can get dropped. And when it drops, mess everywhere. And instead of that, if the box drops, it's totally fine. And the reason why is because, oh look, you can even fit it in that way. You see? Don't even have to have it standing up. Some pretty nice bags. And the nice thing is, as soon as it's done, I can easily be able to just take it out of the bag. If it drops, pick it up, put it right back in, keep on going instead of having to pick all these up. So I'll go ahead and put all the rest of these inside this bag, but just so you see just a little bit of it, fits perfectly inside of here. And I'll get all these straws in here. Done and done. Thank you so much for watching.